and they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there.
All right. Got no clue what these are gonna look like. I'll be careful. Let's see when we open them. Either that or it'll be in the caption. Oh. Jeez, a lot of tape on this thing. Oh. Yeah, there's a little hint right there. See that logo? And underneath there. There you go. Figure it out there. Oh wow. A lot of color. A lot of color. By the box. Wow. Jeez. Those are pretty light. Definitely thin thigh rise for sure. And it's not as notched out as the PX3s were. I know they changed it to look more sort of like the PX4, the hazardous line. They kind of thinned out the transfer, sort of tapered it a little easier. Very soft boot. That'll be nice. Get deep into RVH. Diamond Glide, I gotta say, it feels interesting. It's definitely got that kind of that ripple effect, you can tell. It's almost like a weave had like a raised pattern to it. So, pretty sweet. A boot channel, there really isn't much of a channel. It's pretty flat throughout here, but that's nice. I'll probably keep this, maybe even actually I might lower this close to the ground. There's a nice bungee system on here. May switch that up for skate race, don't know yet. But yeah, really excited to try out the FRS system. Their fast rotation strapping, I've heard it works wonders. There's a little Diamond Glide logo right there. Pretty sweet. Right there. Got the other one out too. Perfect. These match pretty well. Thank you.